Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. We're out here doing a little bit of training, a little wood splitter 101 with Lisa. It's been, she was telling me, several years since she has ran a wood splitter of any kind. And so I wanted to get her familiar with it because, y'all, she's going to be running this thing a lot this winter. I mean, so will I. But this machine, anybody can run it as long as you have a simple understanding of hydraulics. So she was throwing some small stuff, some maple that's been drying for about a year, through it so that we can burn it inside of her shop because she's got a little teeny wood stove in there and it takes that little stuff. So what do you think so far?
I love it.
All right, great. That's good. When your wife says she loves something that you just spit a bunch of money on, guys, you're in the good. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that old thumbs up for us, that like, man. That'll really help us. If everybody hit that like, man, we can start growing this channel a lot more. And y'all been helping us do it, so we're very grateful. All right, we're going to get on to busting a little bit of wood, and we're going to check out a new chainsaw that we've had for a while, just hadn't used yet. So stick around. Back, I picked up this Echo chainsaw, CS590 Timberwolf. I had been looking at saws for a while, and when I actually bought this thing, I wasn't even able to use it. So I kind of used it as inspiration, sitting there looking at that thing. Actually put it in the living room for a while, looked at it, and I said, I'm going to get to the point where I can use this saw. And so that's what I did, y'all. And I actually got it out the other day and put it through just one or two pieces of firewood, and I really liked it, so I decided let's get that thing out today. I was afraid it was going to be really heavy because it's 24-inch bar, but really it doesn't feel any heavier than my old steel with 18-inch bar. And I will say that the plastics on this one do not feel as stout as that of my old steel. But y'all, that's a 20-some-year-old saw. This is a brand new one. And yes, I'm a steel man, and I bought an Echo. And there are a couple of reasons why I bought an Echo. Number one was the price. Y'all, you couldn't beat the price of this thing. I think it was just over $400 for this saw. And with a 24-inch bar, and that's what I was looking for. I was actually looking for one bigger, but y'all, with the supply chain junk, I couldn't find one. So I ended up with this saw. I really like it. And I'll show it to you right now, put it through a couple of pieces of firewood, and you be the judge. You tell me what you think, but I can already tell you, I think it was a good investment. For the money that I put into it, I'm happy with it so far. Hopefully it's going to give me some good longevity. I run nothing but non-ethanol fuel mix in it, as I do in all my small engines. So time will be to tell, but I'll be using this thing all winter, especially when it's cooler out here, and it's not really bogging me down to get out here in this heat and humidity. Well, let's put it through a few pieces of wood and let a little sawdust fly. So far, I'm impressed with the Echo. Not bad. We'll see if it holds up like this steel has, but y'all, if it'll hold up 25 years, I'd say it's doing pretty good. I think nowadays, if you can just get about 10 years out of something, you're doing all right. We're gonna throw some of this onto the log splitter and give it a whirl. This is all green stuff, y'all. So we'll get it busted up and let it get onto the gator, and then we'll stack it. But y'all, this is working out pretty good. Guys, that's going to end it for us today here at the Piney Woods Homestead. It's getting awful hot, awful humid. Thunderheads are rolling in the background. They're calling for pretty much a gully washer. Yeah. Starting here in really about an hour or so. So we'll get everything cleaned up, get that firewood stack that we just split, get the tools put up. Y'all, we really are liking this splitter from Allwood Log Splitters up in Michigan. Bobby Barta, he's got that thing dialed in. He's been building these things for over 13 years now. And I like knowing that we have supported a veteran. That's an awesome thing in my book. And American made. Didn't have to go to another country to buy a quality log splitter. So guys, if you're looking for one, hit him up. Description, the link is in the description. Man, my brain is going nuts here.
It's the heat.
It's the heat, y'all. We need to name it. Give us some names. I've got an idea or two for one. for that log splitter, but the thing is a beast. Let's name that thing together, y'all. We want you to help us out with that. Guys, thanks for stopping in. We'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a good day and a great week.